They would then raise the white flag of surrender. We give up to the great American military, the most powerful military. We give up, we give up, we give up. The New York Times would say, Iran has fought bravely and has defeated the United States of America. I mean, the coverage is so bad. You have a big win in a battle, and they say you lost. You knock out their entire Navy, and they say their Navy's doing fantastically. No, it was defeated, totally defeated. And they say, it's just a terrible thing for our country. And, you know, to really be great, you need a fair media. And we don't have a fair media. I mean, that's all they can do is lie.
Well, that's
they
the
have
Democrats.
No policy.
They have nothing to
they're
go on.
They're Dumbocrats, okay?
Yeah.
Well, Donald Trump has unveiled new details of his proposed drone port on the roof of the White House ballroom. The US president posted an AI-generated image or images online depicting drones and troops on top of the building. He's calling on a lawsuit hindering the project to be dismissed. Posting on Truth, he says the drone port at the White House ballroom will be perhaps the most sophisticated anywhere in the world. It'll safeguard our nation's capital, Washington, D.C., long into the future. With the advent of highly sophisticated and powerful modern-day weaponry, we can no longer defend Washington, D.C. with rifles and pistols alone. This ridiculous lawsuit must be dismissed immediately.
Meanwhile, just for a little bit of fun, last little item here, Trump's ballroom, he gave a bit of a tour of that. I think we've got a grab of that here. Have a look.
It's going to be something incredible. You see the quality of it? And they go right, those columns go right into the roof. And on top of the roof, we're going to have the greatest drone empire that you've ever seen. And it's going to protect Washington.
A drone empire.
Yeah.
That's a new one.
Look, we need it. The campus, the White House, I used to run the campus. One of the chief of staff does. It's in dire need of a modernization. It does. Why Trump hasn't made the case that this is the first part of a multi-step process to bring the White House into the 21st century, I don't know. It's become a lightning rod for everybody who hates him just because of the way that he's done it. They need a new East Wing. And then after that, they need a new West Wing. Keep in mind, a lot of the tech in there is from the 1970s. So, but it is a losing political message for the president right now.
But it's true, though. I mean, presidents have, that White House has been built on, knocked down, expanded over centuries.
Yeah.
Why are people losing their mind about it?
Because it's Donald Trump.
Because it's Donald Trump.
And in fairness, I don't think the administration has done a very good job of explaining to people why we need it. It comes on the back of Trump also wanting to put his name on the Kennedy Center, his name on buildings in D.C., the new monument across the bridge near the Arlington National Cemetery. When you take it like that, it's become a lightning rod.